Thank you for watching, and in this video I'm gonna dive into in-depth creative sketches and about different features and how they are gonna work in different kind of situations. As I already mentioned in the previous video, like we have a different basic fundamental planes. Right now we have three basic fundamental planes. The first one is front plane, top plane, or right plane. So as I already mentioned in the previous videos, like if you want to sketch, so first what you need to do is you just need to select a fundamental plane or any face. So right now we don't have any solid, so in the terms of face, whenever you have a solid, then you can select any face of that solid and then you can sketch. And the other option is like you should have to select a fundamental plane. Suppose if you want to select a front plane, so what you need to do is you just need to select any plane, and then whenever you are going to click on that, so you are going to see there are four basic options in the pop-up. The first one is you can sketch, the second is you can show, or the third one is zoom to selection, or the fourth one is normal to that plane. So this is the first option. You can go into the sketch, or you can go here into the ribbon section, and then you can see there is an option for the sketch. So you can just select the sketch, and then right now you are into the sketch mode, and then you can sketch whatever you want. Suppose I want to have a corner rectangle, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna made a corner rectangle. So there is another thing which I already mentioned in the previous videos. The thing is like you just need to tie this point to the coordinate, the center of the coordinate. So in this way you are not gonna lose your sketch into the space. So this is a best practice, but this is not necessary, so this is up to you. But this was a best practice, so I just mentioned it there. So what we can do is we can just hold this and we can bring it to the center of the coordinate system, and then I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so this was the first option. As soon as I just tied this to the origin, so you can see these two lines turned into the black, so it means they are fully defined, and these two lines, they are not defined, they are still blue. Okay, so another thing is like if I'm gonna go into the features, so what I can do is like basic two features which you are gonna use a lot. The first one is extruded boss or base, and then the another one is extruded cut. So right now I'm gonna go into the extruded boss or base. So as soon as you are gonna select the extruded boss or base, so you can see like we can extrude our sketch. So here you can see there is an arrow, so you can go into this direction, and how long you want to extrude, you can just hold the button on your mouse and then you can move it. So and you can see like whenever you are holding, there is a virtual scale, so you can just select the value by the virtual scale, or you can enter your value manually here. Or if you want to change the direction, what you can do is you can just hold the button on the mouse and you can go inwards. So in this way you can change the direction of extrude. Or there is another option, like you can see here into the under the direction one. So if you want to change the direction, what you can do is you can just click here. So look at that, direction is gonna change. Or if sometimes you want to extrude into the both directions, this side as well and this side as well, so what you can do is you can just turn on the direction too. So in this way you can extrude this direction and that direction as well. So and then you have to provide two different values, like in this direction how much extrude do you want, and in how much into the inward direction. So let's say I just want to extrude it here, and then there are other options like how long you want to extrude, up to vertex, up to surface, if there are some other surfaces or bodies. So you can say like I want to extrude up to the next vertex, up to next body, or whatever that. So then you can, I'm just gonna select the blind because I already mentioned my value here. 76 is maybe huge. I just want to reduce it to 65, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So my first solid is here. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So there is another option. As you can see, this is the feature manager. So I already mentioned like if you are gonna go into this feature, so what you can do is you can just click on this feature, and then again you have a lot of options. The first option is you can just edit the feature, you can edit the sketch, you can suppress, you can roll back, you can change the appearance, you can bring it to the normal view, you can zoom to the selection, or you can hide this feature. So these are different options. Or if you are gonna go into this feature, so you can see there is a sketch. So what you can do is, again, if you are gonna select the sketch, and again you have all those options, and if I'm gonna edit the sketch, so what I can do is, suppose I want to bring it for the normal view, and if I want to change the shape or change the size, and then I'm gonna click green check mark, and then I need to cancel the sketch. Sorry, I need to exit the sketch. And when I'm gonna exit, so as you can see, that feature is following the sketch. So now we already changed the sketch, so feature is also following the sketch. Or if I'm gonna go into the sketch again, and I'm gonna edit the sketch, and let's say, let's make some other sketches. Suppose I want to have one circle here, but this is center line circle. Sorry, if I want to have 3 points arc slot or straight slot, let's say I want to have a straight slot, I can make a slot here, I can make a polygon here, or I can make something else. Let's say I can make a circle here. So if I right now I'm into the edit sketch, and I already have different sketch, and then if I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then if I'm gonna exit the sketch, so all these sketches are gonna be extruded, because over this sketch is under the feature of this extrude. So whatever the sketch you are gonna draw in this sketch, so all the sketch are gonna follow the features of extrude feature. So that's why we have all these things here. Okay, let's do something interesting. Suppose let's say we have here this face or this face. Let's draw on this face. Suppose what I want to do is, like, I want to select this face right now. As I already said, like, if you want to sketch, so you need to choose a fundamental plane, or you need to choose a face. So right now I want to choose this face here, and what I want to do is I want to sketch on this face. Suppose I want to make a circle here, and then let's click the green check mark, and then I want to go into the features, and then I want to go extrude cut. So now by using the sketch of the circle, what I can do is I can just cut the bodies. Suppose again we have that arrow, we have that virtual scale. So how long you want to cut? So if you want to cut till here, you can choose, or you want to cut manually, you can enter your value manually here. Or if you want to change the direction, again you have option to change the direction, as you can see. Or there is another option, like you want to cut through all, up to the next, up to vertex, up to surface, up to next body, up to plane, up to mid plane, whatever. So these are the all options. Or there is another option, like if you want to cut all bodies, so what you can do is you can just select all bodies. So in this direction, whatever the bodies are gonna come in the way, everyone is gonna extrude cut. Or there is another option, is like if you want to select the body, so what I can do is I can just select this body. So the thing which need to notice is, like, we have a sketch on this, and if you want to extrude in this body, only the selected bodies, and then I'm going to click the green check mark. So this is going to be extruded only for this body. So there is the intended cut does not insert the model, please check the sketch and direction. I guess it is passing through. So this is my sketch, and this is, yes, this is passing through. So what is the problem? I need to click the green check mark. Look at that. So we made the sketch on this face, and then it's gonna extrude the another body, even though we did not had sketch on this plane. So this is really wonderful. Okay, so what else? If I want to have two circles, let's say I want to choose this face. Let's zoom a bit, and I want to go into the sketches. I want to make two circles. Let's say I want to have first circle here. I want to have a second circle here. I want to delete this one. And again, I want to have another circle. I want to have this second circle here. And then let's click the green check mark. Again, I'm gonna go into the features and then extruded cut. Now, what I need to do is I need to select where I want to apply the extruded cut, on this side, as you can see, or on the all sides, as you can see. So, or I can just do I need to choose the contours, or if I want to have the area which is the in between two of them. So let's delete this one, let's delete this one, and let's delete this one as well. And let's say I want to select only this area which is in the middle. Maybe it would not look good, so let's select this one, and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. All bodies, okay, look at that. So what I can do is I can just select whatever the area I want. So as you can see, I did not cut the area which was in between both of these circles. So in this way we can sketch different sketches, and then we can apply some basic functions which are going to work in different way in different situations. So the point is just to give you the awareness how you can use these basic tools, and then you can use them for your required designs. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.